today I'm going on a trip with a few friends. Right now I'm at my friend Melissa's house and we're waiting for our friends to pick us up. We're kind of still getting ready though. You guys will see Melissa later. She's in the bathroom. And we're still not sure what beach. We might go to Labadi or Coco Beach. We're not sure. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, so we're gonna go eat breakfast. I'll show you guys. And then we're gonna head off. And I'm still trying to figure out what hairstyle to do. Hi. So I'm trying to figure out a hairstyle. So anyways, my thing is just like preparing. I'm prepping my hair. Melly is basically ready.
I am. Also, Mikou refuses to charge her phone.
I brought the charger down. I'll charge it. And let me see. I don't know. I might change into a white top so like we'll match.
I'm here.
Okay.
Because lighting, not good. Okay, now it's good. So yeah, so she's not sure she wants to wear this top or wear a white one.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
But we kind of want to be matching. So
yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. Okay, so this is.
We had half a crap.
Exactly. I wasn't hungry. Melissa's forcing me to eat the other half.
I'm not forcing you to eat the other half. I'm just like, do you want one? And you're like, yeah. So.
Okay, so yeah, this is the breakfast.
And we're gonna have some iced tea as well.
Yeah, it's getting cold. We'll continue vlogging when Ryan comes. It's 11. What time is it?
It's like 11:30.
11:30. So
he said he's coming at 12.
Yeah, Ryan should be here in 30 minutes. When it's 12, we'll vlog again and we'll let you guys know if he came or not.
He's always late, so we'll see.
Yeah. Alright guys. Hey guys. So I finally decided on what I'm gonna wear. Now me and Melissa are matching. We're both wearing white. And we're still waiting for Ryan. It's almost 1 p.m.
We were supposed to go at 11.
Yeah. And it's almost 1, so
I'm gonna be here for a while.
Please, guys, this is my hair reveal. I didn't use any gel. I'm gonna be posting a video soon on how to get your hair slick without using gel. It's coming, so anticipate that.
Subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Hit the notification bell. So guess who finally decided to come? Like
Hours later.
yeah.
10 years later.
Is that his car? No. Where is he? Land Cruiser? Let's see if that's him. To film him. I'm waiting to film him. Hopefully this is him.
Okay.
Ryan. Finally, Ryan, what's the time?
What?
Hi Nathan, how are you?
You're gonna see in a moment why we do so. Don't worry, just get it.
Okay. We're getting Please drive carefully.
Wear shorts.
And you're not wearing a mask.
We're going to the beach.
Hi Xavier.
Xavier, where's your
Mask.
We're in the car. We have Loughborough's best, Bradford's best. I don't know where he transferred to.
Richmond. Oh, nice. We have Virginia Tech's best.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. And Emory's best. So we're going to Wakanda Beach.
It's actually a real thing.
Yeah. We'll show you guys when we get there. Has the concept of Wakanda, so the artist is really pretty. And yeah,
This is really nice. I like the artwork. It's really nice.
because it just wasn't a vibe for us.
No food.
There was no food. We're hungry and there was no food. So we came to Bojo Beach. You gonna show around?
Yeah.
Beach is like a little lake before you get to the beach, which you're gonna have to cross with a boat, which is fun.
We'll take you guys on the beach, on the boat.
Set up and we're gonna just swim and chill. I'm just gonna.
Hey, what's up YouTube? No, you have to pay me.
How much?
Huh?
You said how much?
10 billion.
Wow. So yeah, we're gonna swim and stuff. Nani, you wanna be filmed?
Hi guys, we're about to go swim. Because honey, you're the suckle.
What did you say? So yeah, I'll show you guys the road. the traffic, the level of traffic was crazy. Anyways, like I'm even feeling nauseous because it was hectic. But anyways, we're here at Honeysuckle. Can you guys see?
Yeah, so we're at Honeysuckle. We're just waiting to get a menu, and Javi looks like he's gonna fall asleep. Ryan is traumatized. He's doing pretty well.
So we're just gonna get food because the food at let's give an honest review.
Honest review, I give it a 3 out of 10.
Yeah.
The pizza was gross.
They don't allow you to bring food there.
Pina colada, awful.
Yeah, they don't allow you to bring food there, so eat before you go or after you go. So we're gonna eat.